Hey, how you doing?
Hi. What are you doing here?
I don't know, I just came for a walk. What are you doing here?
Oh, okay. I was just watching Kiara from here.
Oh,
See,
that's
she's
great.
there.
Alright guys, so we came outside to do the rest of the video. How you guys doing? Welcome back. What have we got here today? This is the newly released DJI OM4. It's their latest smartphone stabilizer. We picked this up because we got the new phone, so we wanted to start using the phone for the daily recording instead of just instead of the GoPro. I mean, the GoPro is fine for daily use, like travel vlogs especially. But using the phone just makes it a lot easier, and you do have more battery life on the phone, and the quality is just as same, if not better. So why not, right? So we're gonna check out this new gimbal or stabilizer, whatever you want to call it, and see how it is. If I can only open it.
A few moments later.
There you go. So let's open it up. What do we got here? First it says download the app on Google or Google Play or Apple Store. We got a nice little box here. A lot of cushion on the back to, I guess, protect the actual thing. That's kind of nice. So here we have the beauty. So this is my first time actually using one of these things. I always wanted to get one. So I guess this will be a learning moment for both you and me. And we have more stuff that comes with it, and a little tripod hook, as well as the USB to USB-C. And silicone gel, because we all love those. Nothing else. So that was the empty pack. The box itself doesn't really have, you got your standard serial number thing, manufactured in yada 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 Germany. But it also says underneath that DJI trademark is DJI copyright, all rights reserved, made in China. So, Germany or China? I mean, it has all these, I'm assuming, Chinese letters around it, so made in China. I don't know what part of it is made in Germany, but something I'll have to do some research in. I do have the DJI drone as well that you guys saw before. So here's the stabilizer. This little tripod, and I love these things because we have one for the GoPro that you can just like settle down as you want to, I guess. And you have the little connect button. I guess the idea is that you just put it anywhere, or close it in and still use it as a holder, an extended holder if you want. So that's kind of nice. I'm hoping this thing has some battery so I can use it. So there's a couple of new things with this one versus like the OM3. The main difference is this magnetic holder. So before you had the little grip that you had to open wide and put your phone in, but now they got this magnetic thing that's like very easy. You can have this on your phone and then attach it as you go. And this magnet is quite strong. Look at that. Picked it up nice. Alright, let's see what's in here. Okay. So we have a nice little bag to, I guess, carry it in here. But it looks like you can't carry it with this attached, so you'll have to remove it and then put it in the bag. And the little strap, you would attach it on here. Some people really like these. I personally don't, because I feel like they always get in my way of like handling things. But they're great if you want to like hook it to your bag or something. And what else do we have here? So this is a little hook. It tells you on this, I don't know if you guys can actually see it, it lays it out for you, where you can basically attach this to the back of the cell phone and this is the magnetic part that would pick it up with this. Like this would stick on your phone and this would get attached. That's my assumption. DJI, the future of possible. Osmo. It's all possible. We got more stuff in here. It's a little bag with maybe some extra stuff in it. It's a little sticker-ish. A couple of 3M stickers. Feels like a dry and a wet. So it's basically number one, you wet it, number two, you dry it, and then you stick it on. It's like putting on a screen protector on your phone. So we have magnetic ring holder. Yeah. So, I mean, there's a bunch of languages in here. The English part is only like this much. The rest is all in different language. So it says here, only attach the magnetic ring holder to phones that are supported by DJI OM4. You can get the compatibility list on their website. The sticker must not be used when attaching the magnetic ring holder to a phone made of glass. Do not attach the magnetic ring holder directly to a phone that's made of glass. Do not attach a magnetic ring holder to a phone case, otherwise the gimbal performance may be affected. Okay, so I guess you want a plastic phone, because they make a lot of those these days. This is the warranty thing, disclaimer and safety guidelines. Always read these guys, you know, when you have an opportunity. And a quick start guide. So this, I'll probably use this to get started. So this little thing is actually for those of you who have small phones like iPhone 7, 8, SE2, and Samsung S8. They call it a riser, so I guess put this first and then put the magnet first because the phone is too small. And you don't have to use this. This is if you want to permanently or sort of attach it to your phone and have it on there. I probably wouldn't, because yeah, I don't want to have it permanently. You could just use this itself. So I got my wife's iPhone with me. Easy as that. It's actually like quite nice and metal, and this thing is very smooth. You're not really fighting it to open it up. It's quite strong. And voila. I should probably turn this on first.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so I had to go back and download the DJI Mimo, Mimo app on the phone. And after I downloaded it, it just gave me, register your product, activate your product, sign up an account. I already had an account with the drone, so I just logged in and activated it. And then it just runs you through a little tutorial of what to, for basic rookie users or new users, I should say. So I did that. So now it's sort of ready to go, and it's telling me to mount it on the thing. So when you put it on your phone, you have to make sure that DJI is facing, top right or up. And on the holder itself, there's a little, like a screw dot sort of thing. You have to align it with the top mark that they put out on the phone holder itself. So you just go whoop. So what now? You have a little joystick on here on this side that I can press to turn the phone. On the left side of where my thumb is, I can zoom in and out. Press the M twice to switch from portrait to landscape or landscape to portrait. Right now, and I'll show you guys how this looks. It doesn't exactly go 360 degrees, but the idea is that you get a smooth look. So here I'm going to try to use my daughter as a subject to show you the auto track feature as to how that works. So double pressing the trigger button actually starts the auto track, so you'll notice what happens when I ask her to move around from sofa to sofa. it does follow her, but if she moves too quick, it just loses her. So this is how it looks when you take a panel shot or a panoramic shot. Alright guys, so we came outside to do the rest of the video. Basically, so right now I got the Note 20 on the gimbal, and I'm gonna see how it sort of performs, you know, outside in the real world.
Here I come, look, come.
So currently on my left I got the GoPro going on, and on my right I have the gimbal with the Note 20, comparing how it looks, you know, it's a standard walk, a nice long road. Ready, steady, go! Now let's run! Uh-oh! There you have it, folks. You just saw a couple of differences there, so let me know what you think. I think it definitely is great. Just holding it on this thing is a lot simpler anyways, instead of just like holding the phone, and my phone is quite large, it's like 6.9 inches, right? So this definitely makes it easier to hold the phone, and also, you know, you get the great stabilization. Of course, that's the main reason for buying it. I mean, when my wife starts recording, you guys have noticed some of her videos are like, she's very not great at positioning herself, and just, you know, she just moves things around. Now she can do that with this and not have to worry about a shitty video in the end. So I hope you guys find this video useful. You know, thinking about buying a DJI OM, whether that's 3 or 4, you saw the differences there, here and there. So go ahead, I think it's a great product. Till next time, bye.
A few moments later.